In this TikTok video, we're going to show you how you can open TikTok in mute mode. So if you need to mute TikTok videos when you open the app because you're in your office, at school, or another place where you can't play the sound of the videos which you're watching, then follow my steps because it's pretty easy. You want to open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device, and then go over to your TikTok profile. Once you're here, you want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on this Settings and Privacy option. When we open our TikTok settings, we want to go a little bit down until we find this playback option. So we'll open that. You'll see 2 different options on this page, so just enable this Open TikTok on Mute. It says here that videos will be muted by default when you open the app. The videos will be muted even if your phone is set to ringer mode, as well as if you have your whole phone set to mute mode. And if you need to play the sound of a video, you want to tap on this little mute icon at the bottom right of your videos, and the sound will play. But that's essentially it. Make sure to check out other videos from the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.